Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Altima oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the info button, usually located on your steering wheel. You'll need to press this button several times to navigate through the various display menus until you find the correct screen. This initial step sets you up for the reset process. Once you see Maintenance displayed on your dashboard, stop pressing the Info button. Now, use the up or down arrow buttons, also typically found on your steering wheel, to highlight Oil and Filter. This is the specific maintenance item we need to reset. After selecting it, press the Enter button to confirm your choice and proceed to the next step. With Oil and Filter selected, you will then see an option to reset. Use your arrow buttons to highlight Reset and then press Enter to confirm. This action will clear the maintenance reminder. You should observe the oil light on your dashboard turn off, indicating a successful reset. It's a straightforward process that helps keep your vehicle's maintenance schedule accurate. After resetting, start your engine to ensure the oil light stays off. If it reappears, repeat the steps. Remember, regular oil changes are vital for your engine's health and longevity, typically every 5,000 miles or 6 months. Keeping up with maintenance prevents costly issues down the road. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.